we're going to want to display some numbers on the screen. That's kind of what Cookie Clicker is all about. This is how you do it. Hand is a turtle. I've done a hand equals turtle.turtle elsewhere in the program, and I do a dot write, and I'm writing the score in this case with a particular font and size. You'll notice I've put the score inside a string with a bunch of spaces in front of it. The reason is otherwise it's right on top of the hand, so the spacing is just pushing it right out here, and yep, seems to be working. I click the cookie and the number of cookies that I have goes up. Now it's kind of a dumb place to have it on the hand. I think what I would probably prefer to do is have the cookie count maybe down here or over here somewhere, and have a specialized turtle just for displaying the cursor. I have a feeling we're going to end up with quite a lot of turtles in this game. Every single little icon is going to be a turtle of its own. So we just need to keep organized with that.